Okay. So by using language, what we'll implement? We'll implement the logic. What we'll implement? We'll implement the we'll implement what? Logic. Okay. By using technology, we'll design web pages. Okay. So what is the example for our languages? C sharp. What is the example for our technology? ASP.NET. So here we will use HTML for designing web pages. So as we discussed in our last session, as we discussed in our last session, now people tell me, now by using languages. So for example, if you have this Facebook login page, enter username, enter password. Here what we'll have? Text box. Here what we'll have? Text box. So this is what people can see with your eyes. You can feel the UI, look and feel. So that's what called as user interface. Okay. Now, when I click on login button, what is happening? It will check for the valid username and password. If username password both are valid, then only it will redirect us to what? Home page. Yes or no? So if username or password, if anything is wrong, then what will happen? It will throw error. So how that is throwing error, how it is identifying whether it's a correct username or password or something, that means based upon logic. Based upon what? Logic. So this logic is implemented by using what? Language, or that is what? C sharp. Okay. So now people tell me I don't have this user interface. That means there is no place for me to enter my username and password. Now people tell me, can we work with this .NET framework? Can we work with this .NET framework? No. Similarly, people tell me, if I don't have this logic, that means when I click on login, so see, I will enter my username and I will enter someone else password. Okay, I will enter my username and I will enter someone Divya password. Then what will happen? It should not redirect. It should throw like, see, I entered my correct username and Divya's correct password. Then what will happen? It should throw the error, invalid password only. So maybe Divya password is correct for her username, but that is wrong for my username, right? That's the reason it should throw error. But what is happening? Because we did not wrote some proper logic, it is not working. Then will people tell like Facebook is working properly? No, right? So that is the reason. So it should be a combination of what? Logic and should be a combination of what? Logic and technology, or it should be a combination of what? Language and technology. Then only we can call this framework is working properly. Now some people ask me, sir, we don't know C sharp. Now can you tell me, can we work with ASP.NET? You only answer me now. So now people tell me, without language, are you able to design website? No. And if you don't learn ASP.NET, will you able to design website? No. So it should be a combination of both language and technology. So that's what we call it as framework. Okay, got it? Any questions? Anyone have any questions? So what is the main purpose of ASP.NET? It is a technology or application from Microsoft for developing what? Web applications. What is that? Web applications are dynamic websites. Okay. Sir, what is a web application? I will tell. We have three types of web applications available in the market. One is desktop application, mobile application, web applications. Okay. Before I move it to that, so anyone want me to teach any specific C# topic? If you want, I will teach for today. Maybe one or two C# topics for brush up your skills. That's the reason I'm just telling. Iman, yeah, Iman. If it is a small topic, we'll go with that. That's it. Yeah, Iman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, sir. We need a basic of C sharp.
Okay, so see, basic means not complete basic. Maybe few topics I will discuss, one or two topics for one or two classes only. Later I need to go. Okay, okay. Then I'm just so interface is one of the most important concept in this one, interface and abstract class. So do you people want that? So if majority people want that, then only I will. Otherwise, I will go with ASP.NET only. Why? Because see, in one of our classes, sir, people are asking, sir, it's a C# class, her, MVC concept or something. Why I'm telling, see this interface. This is the most used concepts in real time, and this abstract class, they are see. Why I'm telling? So people see here. So I will tell you. So that's the reason I'm asking, but I don't repeat every time. Maybe because these are demo sessions, maybe some people are, see, some people miss their C#, or some people are not having much knowledge in C#. That's the reason. See, those people who are excellent also, for them also, it will be like a revision only. I can just show you. See, I think this is my MVC application. But I want all the majority people should answer. Why? Because again, if someone asks me, sir, this is C# class or MVC, maybe one or two sessions. So, then you people will gain so much knowledge and all. Uh, so it's like brushing up your skills, and my way of teaching of interface is different, for sure. Okay. Okay. My controller. See, the first line they are using in inheritance. Okay, so everything. So the advanced concepts of C# will be used in all the things. So recently I have done with ADV.NET for my MVC students. If you people see here, same. So same programs and all. So how I will give, like, first, maybe people will confuse the due to that reason. So, first I will keep some theory for that steps. See here, I just give, people won't confuse for that reason. Step one, create project. Step two, this one. Step three, step four, something. So all the questions, everything. Step six. This is how I will give. So whenever they are practicing, if they look into that, easily they will understand. And web application 60. This one. So see, my way of teaching will be like this. See, for example, this connection string, whatever we have learned in our ADO.NET, the same. So I always go with the same programs like continuation. So how, if I teach some concept in one place, I will teach wherever we got that concept, the same thing what I teached in my previous session. I will try to follow the same. So see, like this, step one, do this, step two, do this, step three, do this, step four, do this, step five, do this. So finally, so like this. So for everything, I will give the information. So then what will happen whenever you are practicing or whenever you are doing reading or whenever you are doing something, when you are going for interviews and all, by seeing the steps and all, you will get complete knowledge on it. That's the reason. So, and if you people remember, so this ad employee, see, the 3 days back when we people practiced in our program, ADB.NET, the same program, the same. I just copy pasted and I just changed like that. Okay. Then what will happen when you people practice everything? Then this will be become very much easy for you guys. Okay. So that is fine. Now then fine. So I'm just asking you people. So how many people want interface? So raise your hands. So see, one thing, please down your hand one more time. I will ask something else. Okay. So how many want a revision? Raise your hands. So, and I need all the people acceptance. Then only I can. Otherwise, some people can ask me, sir, because it's a C sharp, it's a MVC. Then how many? Okay, down your hands, Kiran and Saujanya. I will ask that in reverse direction. How many don't want? Raise your hands. See, it's a open forum, so I respect everyone decision. So, sir, we don't need, that means you can raise, no problem. See, this is for the people who are not interested for revision of C# concepts. Whoever is rising, that will be the. So, Ajay, you don't need any C# concepts revision. Shivraj, Santosh Kumar, Swapna. Shivraj, please confirm in the chat. Or you people got wrong. So you don't need any revision in C#. Okay. Okay, fine. You can down your hands. 3 people. Now I want to raise you guys hand. Who is interested for revision? See, not so many days, 1 or 2 days. So today we'll complete few concepts, and tomorrow we'll go for two few concepts. So and then we will move. 13 people. See, I want everyone. See, we have 60 people here. I want response from everyone. So that means 50 people should respond. What about the others? They're feeling shy, or they don't know how to raise their hands, or they don't know how to comment there. What happened? So please respond, guys. So how would I know? Okay, then we'll go with interface concept. Okay, so basically, if you want to learn interface concept, so see, I will explain these three things, and after that we'll go back to interface. Okay. Okay. So desktop application. Desktop applications means, see, this Zoom is example of desktop application. See, WhatsApp will be there for desktop. We can assume that is a desktop application. So any application whichever is installing in desktop application, then they are all called what? Desktop applications. But the most important thing for a desktop application, what is the thing? So we need to install that particular application in our machine. That is what the most important thing. Okay. Now the second one, mobile application. So mobile application is same, but what will happen? We need to install these applications in our mobile. So example for that is what? This Google Maps, Phone Pay, Google Pay, all these things. Okay, so all these things are example of mobile application. So for example, if you want to work with mobile applications, what are the minimum things you need? So you need a mobile and you need proper internet connection. That's it, right? Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so that is fine. That is it. And the third category of applications is web applications. So web applications we can open in our mobile, we can open in desktop, but we don't need to install anything. So like, see, when you are trying to open your something Google in your Google or something, so do you need any applications to be installed for that? So if you want to open this Facebook website, so in your mobile, then do you need to install that website? No. So simply will go to mobile, and then you will open your Chrome, and there you will open www.facebook.com. Then you can achieve the Facebook login page. Okay. So this is what. So and what all things we needed for implementing web application mean. So see, in ASP.NET, we need HTML, C#. That's what I told you guys, right? HTML or ASP.NET for implementing the web pages, and C# is used for implementing the logic. So we can implement those things using PHP, JSP, and all. But anyway, we are going with ASP.NET. So in our ASP.NET, so we need to learn few things. One is HTML, CSS, JavaScript or jQuery, one technology, okay, and web server. So HTML for designing the web pages, CSS for styling. So what is styling, sir? See, in our website, if we are seeing this blue color, green color, red color, our text boxes will be in some style, some design. So see, all the websites will maintain different styles and all. So because of this CSS only, CSS is called as cascading style sheet. So in our Naresh IT, we have UI technologies separate course will be there, or if it is part of full stack .NET course. So when you join there, they will teach complete end-to-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery related. Okay, JS or jQuery. So jQuery. So for performing client-side scripting, see for example, if you write some MVC application code, and if you want to connect with that MVC application with your code with your user interface, so then we will use this JS or jQuery. So we will see that in future. Okay. One technology ASP.NET, so simple. So if you want to perform client side operations or server side operations, that kind in that case we'll go for ASP.NET and web server. See when you develop your website in your local, then you can only able to see the website performance, but how people in the world will see. So then you need to host your website. Okay, so then only or you need to install your application in the server, then only we can see that anywhere in the world with by using internet. So that's the reason we are using web server. And finally here we have IAS. So we will host application for local purpose and all in IAS. We'll see that when we start our ASP.NET. Okay, this is what we have discussed on Friday's class. Now we'll discuss about so as per people interest. So interface is one of the most important concept in real time. So without interface, people won't code anything in interface. So in real time. So that's the reason. So I want to explain a few, like see so what we will do every day, we'll first half an hour we'll discuss about ASP.NET, and next half an hour I will discuss about few C sharp, like no, not more topics as well. So like some topics like delegates, abstract class, interface, class library. So that kind of operations, ADO.NET related, that kind of things we'll discuss for 3-4 days. Then what will happen? You people will become perfect while going for this ASP.NET. That's the reason I want to. So even for my ASP.NET previous version of, see, this is a mixed class. My students and other faculty students and some other students and some people directly joined here. So some people will have different knowledge and some people will have different knowledge, their standards, and that's the reason. We are trying to explain. So after 1 week or something, then everyone will become Vishwasar students only. So trust me in that. Okay. Okay. So see, those who are already having knowledge. So for them, what will happen? So Padmavati, you have some questions. Ramani, Padmavati, or you forgot to down your hands? Yeah, Shravani, tell me. Ranusha, Ranusha, if you have a question, I just try to unmute you. Okay, Anusha, I don't know. So I'm just lowering your hand. Okay, so see, first thing. So if you want to learn interface, we need to learn about abstract class. So basically, so I don't give more knowledge on abstract class for now because I'm explaining interface. That's the reason I will give some overview on abstract class. So please listen carefully. See, basically, now, so now see, whenever I'm asking questions, everyone should answer. So some people they should respond very well and some people are not responding. I will ask now someone. Yeah, Germa. Now tell me this. Hi Germa, you can unmute yourself. So make it first. I'm just trying to unmute you. Someone raised. Sagar. Hi, Sagar. I just unmuted you.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, good man. Sagar, now tell me, what is the syntax for declare? So for everyone, please listen carefully. So you will get abstract class concept here. So what is the syntax for declaring a class?
Is class name,
Yeah,
open brace, and is
perfect.
a variable and methods including
Yeah. So we'll
cognitive
have what variables and
methods.
okay, that's it. So this is what the basic syntax of class. So if you want to make a class as abstract class, then you need to use abstract keyword.
Abstract word.
Okay. So okay, fine. You can mute yourself. So now people tell me who will be there in our class now. So basically variables and methods. So what happened, Garima? I will unmute you. Yeah, tell me. The same question. What is the syntax for declaring a class? Please speak. I'm unable to hear you. Class?
Hello, so can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. Class.
Yeah, it's class name, open braces, closing braces, and inside that variables and methods.
Very good, Garima. Thank you. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. So we'll have variables and methods, right? So now if I want to make a class as abstract class, then I need to use abstract keyword here. Okay. So in abstract class also we'll have variables and methods. And also we have one more extra feature that is what called as abstract methods. Okay. Here we'll keep semicolon. Okay. Sir, now what is the difference between abstract methods and non-abstract methods? So are both are same? If both are same, why we are keeping different names? So the thing for abstract methods is, for abstract methods, we will have only method heading. We'll have only method heading and we won't have any method body. Okay. Sir, what is this method heading or method body? For example, I want, for example, so int c comma a comma b comma c. Okay. Void add here c equals to a plus b. Okay. Now here, what we are telling, void add. So please perform addition operation. And how to do that? C equals to a plus b. So here we are telling like what to do. Here we are telling how to do. Okay. So see, this is what a non-abstract method. If you want to make a method as abstract, then simple. Void abstract sub semicolon. Now tell me here what we have, only method heading, but not method body. Are you guys clear with this? Okay, this is what abstract method. Sir, now there is no method body for this. Okay, so if we have this method, abstract method in our class, then what is the use? So it is telling what to do, but not how to do. It is having only method heading, but not body. Then there is no use with this abstract method. Then there is no use with this abstract method. Okay. So then how can we make it meaningful? How can we provide body to this one? How can we tell this method how to do something? Then we have a concept called interface. So some other class needs to inherit this abstract class, and it needs to implement this abstract method. Okay. So basically for that, we have a concept in C# called overriding. So some other class needs to override this abstract method, and it will provide body to that, and it will tell how to do something. So this is what abstract method. So now people tell me, what is abstract method? A method which consists of only method heading but not body is called as the abstract method. So then how can we provide body to abstract method? So some other class will inherit that particular abstract class, and it will provide body to the abstract method. Okay, so people got it now? Any questions? Yes, no, please confirm. So see here. So the syntax for declaring abstract class is abstract class name. So here we will have variables, normal methods, that means non-abstract methods, and abstract methods. Okay. So then that is what called as abstract methods. So basically abstract methods will consist of only method heading but not method body. Okay. So now people see here, I will just, someone is asking me the example for that, we'll see. The same example I will give here. So now people tell me, so some other class needs to inherit abstract class always. So due to that reason, do we need to create object for abstract class? So we never create object to the abstract class. Why? Because abstract class act like a base class only. Abstract class always acts like a base class only. Okay. So okay. So here I will keep class sorry. So what is the syntax for declaring a class? Class name, some ABC. So here inside open brace and close. Here what we'll have? Int a comma b comma c. Now here void add. Okay. So here what you will do? So here open brace and close brace. C equals to what? A plus b. Okay. So now after that what? Console dot write line. Sum is what? So I'm just giving a equals to 20, comma b equals to 30. Okay. So now if you want to make a class as abstract, then what we need to use a abstract keyword. That's it. Okay. Okay. So now, so in our abstract class, what we will have? Abstract methods. Void this is okay, done. Okay, so now see, what is the difference between these two methods? Okay, so in this method, we have method heading. That is what to do, and here how to do. But for this method, what happened? Only method heading is there, but not body. So we kept the semicolon. So semicolon means what? It's end of statement. Now what will happen? Some other class we needs to create, and it should inherit the abstract class. Some class ABC2. Okay. So after that, what? Open brace and close brace. Okay. So public override. What is the method name there? Sub. So this is what our for theory. I will share this book with you guys soon. Okay. See, here I have given everything. Like to make a class as abstract class, we need to use abstract keyword and all. So I will explain that. So so I will declare three variables here. Int p equals to 30 comma q equals to 40 comma c. Okay. Now not c, r equals to p plus q. Console dot write line sum is r. Oh, so now can someone tell me what I'm missing here? Why this method is not coming here? I know the answer. What is missing here? Inheritance. Okay. Okay, now got it right? So that's it. So because we need to inherit the abstract class. So abstract class is always like a base class only. We never create object to abstract class. Are you guys clear now? Anyone have questions? Please tell me. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just create. So now I need to create object to which class? ABC or ABC2? ABC2. So because we always needs to create object to the last derived class always in inheritance process. So now create object ABC2 OBJ equals to new ABC2. Okay, now OBJ dot what is our first method? Add, right? Add. This is what our abstract class method, and OBJ dot second method is sub. Now see, just will execute the program. Okay, see. So there is no difference between these two outputs and all. So we got the same like that. So this is what abstract. So I will just give some theory for this. A class which contains of one or more abstract functions or non-abstract functions is known as abstract class. So to make any class as abstract, we need to use abstract keyword. It is compulsory to create new derived class from the abstract class. Why? Because we have abstract functions inside abstract class. If you don't derive that class, then we cannot provide body to these methods. Abstract method contain only method heading but not method body. Abstract method tells what to do but not how to do. Abstract class is derived in order to provide functional to its abstract functions. It contains both abstract and non-abstract functions. That's what I explained now. And here we have some differences also. After this interface concept, I will explain those differences also. So, okay. So before that, I will just share our admin number. If anyone have any queries, immediately connect with him for fee structure and all, or recording videos of for if some people missed one or two sessions or something, please connect with our admin Hariprasad. So he will help for any questions and all. Okay, this is his number. See Divya, so we need to wait for minimum 2 months for going into, you know, .NET Core. Definitely, we'll see. Okay, this is what I just shared our admin number in our chat. So please, maybe demo sessions will end in 1 or 2 days or 2 days. I don't know. Our admin will decide those things. So abstract class never inherit any other classes. Now, one more thing. So in interviewer will try to ask you, what will happen if you create object to abstract class? Yes, now tell me. No demo sessions, Geeta. So directly we will, so once we are done with our MVC web API, then I will directly start our .NET Core. There will be no demos and all. So this is only demo. Maybe today, first 3-4 days, there will be demo sessions. After that, the regular classes only. So no more stopping or something. So we don't discuss anything also. So see, if I try to create abstract class object, now what will happen? We'll see. ABC some object obj name equals to new ABC. So now see, here it thrown some error. Cannot create an instance to abstract class. It is giving a compile time error. So if some interviewer will ask you, like what will happen if you create one object to abstract class, then you need to tell, we'll get one error, sir. Okay, got it? Any questions now? Yeah, any questions, please ask me now. You can raise your hand. So code reusability, so many things, madam. So that will cover both ASP.NET MVC, ASP.NET, .NET Core, Web API. Any more questions? Do we have live project for .NET Core? So see, I will give project on ASP.NET and MVC. So, and I will guide you how to do that in Core also. You people should do that on your own. See, I don't give you one dump and I don't ask you to go through that and debug that or something. I will train you guys to do that project on your own. You know, after ASP dot after wait for 10 days, then you will understand. So you will do a program, a registration form, home page, password checking, and users will register in database. Users should retrieve from database. You can delete the users from database. All these things, and one page to another page, some shopping mall website, some kind of thing I will explain, and you people can do that on your own. 2 months. I can say 2 to 3 months, 2 months, 15 days, like that. Okay, got it. So now, so before going to our interface, I will explain one more concept. So see what will happen, we'll see. Basically, so people see here. So I will just explain one of our OOPS concept. Okay, I shared our admin number, so please take that. So are you guys clear, right? So with this interface, so abstract class. Now, in our OOPS, we have encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. We'll see inheritance. So basically, inheritance. So inheritance means, see, for example, what is the purpose of inheritance means? For example, class A. Here, what I will do? Int A comma B comma C, and I have void add C equals to A plus B. Okay. So now I have void sub C equals to A minus B. That's it. So now what I will do? I will create one more class here. Now what will happen? It is B. So now same methods I have, but here I have mul. Now if you people see here, we have so much duplicate code here. ABC variables we declared, and we have one method. We are doing A plus B. Here we have ABC and we have what? Variables declared here. So do we need all these things here? So it's a duplicate code. So for that reason, we have a concept called inheritance. So inheritance means, so simple, getting or accessing properties from base class to derived class is known as inheritance. What is that? Getting or accessing properties from base class to derived class is known as inheritance. Sir, how to represent inheritance? Using this one, colon. Okay. Using this column. Okay, so like how we'll do that? Class A inheriting from B. So class C inheriting from B. This is one. Okay. This is what inheritance. Now what will happen in our A class, we'll have complete code of B and A class. So in our C class, we'll have what? Class A comma B comma C. Okay, this is what inheritance. So we have different types of inheritance available here. Single SINGLE, single level inheritance. Tell me next, what is that one? Multi-level inheritance. And finally, multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Now, what is single level inheritance? What is single level inheritance? In single level inheritance, we'll have one base class and one derived class. Class A here, class B is inheriting from class A. This is what single level. Now, people tell me, what is multi-level inheritance? So, one base class and more than one derived class. Okay, so now same, the continuation to this one. Class C is inheriting from B. That's it. So this is one base class and more than one derived class. So we always needs to create object to the last derived class. This is what multi-level inheritance. Okay, and finally the last concept here is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means more than one base class and one derived class. So that means what will happen here? More than one base class and one derived class. Example for that is class A, open brace, close brace. This is one base class. Class B, one more base class. Class C. So here, what will happen? It will inherit both A comma B. Okay, this is what called as multiple inheritance. Now, so people see here, int A equals to 40, comma B equals to 30, comma C. Okay, void add. I don't know, Bhaskar, we'll see. Void add. Now people tell me C equals to A plus B. What is the output of this method? $70. So now I will keep P Q and here I will keep 90. Now what is the output of this method? 120. Now in my main method, I will create object to my C class. C1 equals to new C. Right? So here C1 dot add. Now people tell me, what is the output of this method? So will it be 120 or 70? We have two methods. One is with 70 output and one is with 120. So now tell me, 70 or 120, what is the output? So basically, class will confuse to give 70 or 120 or from which class it needs to give the output. So that's the reason it won't give any output and it will throw the error. And that situation is called as ambiguity. Okay. So that's the reason class doesn't support multiple inheritance. So in order to achieve multiple inheritance, we are going for a concept called interface. What is that? Interface. So what is interface and how we can implement multiple inheritance and all? So we'll see that in tomorrow's class along with some ASP.NET concepts. Okay. So now, yeah, I will just pause here and I will just wait for your questions. So if someone raise, I will unmute them, or you can type in the chat also. So I will. And one more thing, all these things are covered in our book. I will definitely share this book with you all. Okay. I will add you into group and I will share those books with you all, everyone. Okay. You people don't need to worry. Yeah, please. Yeah. If someone raise your hands, I'm ready to share. I'm ready to unmute them. Any questions on multiple inheritance or inheritance or interface or general questions related to our ASP.NET session? So are you guys good with the topics? At least please respond for that. Yes, no, please. Only 3-4 people. So how much percentage means what such Prakash? I did not got it. Yeah, Srujana.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Yes.
While giving a SQL DB connection, I'm facing a error. Like it is unable to connect to my device.
What happens? So are you able to open your SQL server in a local?
No, like device name unable to.
No, no, I'm asking. So are you able, so when you connect to Object Explorer and we are trying to open your SQL server, are you able to open it?
Yeah, it is open.
Okay, then maybe see what error you are getting, madam?
One second. It's error 40. Could not open a connection to SQL server.
Okay, so what you kept there, dot you kept or computer name?
Yeah, the three names what you have said, localhost, dot, and device name. Three I
Yeah.
have tried it.
Okay, 3 you tried. So that means, did you kept space between data and source?
No.
So you need to keep first point. So database, data space source, database, and integrated space security. So maybe you have done mistake there, then it will work. Okay.
Oh,
If still that is not working, try for that, and maybe after 2-3 days, I will share my number. Then you can share my screenshot. I will help you.
yeah, sure. Sure.
Okay. Yeah, Sach Prakash, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
So, I have created dynamic grid view, multiple grid views, sir. But I'm not able to display side by side. How we can do that?
So madam, that will cover in ASP.NET.
Okay. Can you give
We,
me some clues, sir, at least?
so what is your requirement? Like, so give me 1 or 2 days time when I will share contact details and all, that time I can.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
Okay. Yeah. Sach Prakash, what you're not clear with? I just unmuted you, please. Okay, okay. No problem, Satya Prakash. I will take care. I will help you for gaining knowledge on them. Yeah, any more questions, please? So anyway, one more thing. Oh, you want me to unmute? Okay. So one more thing, guys. Just to practice all the things. I for all the C-sharp concepts, I will go little fast. Otherwise, it will take, it will kill so much time. That's the reason I'm going little fast. For ASP and all, we'll go little slow. Okay, fine. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, Satya Prakash, no problem. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll discuss a few more concepts. And we'll start anyway. We'll discuss ASP.NET also. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow.